In this video, let's talk about it is safe to run wheel spacers on your BMW. Let's go. Wheel spacers are a kind of safe and reliable wheel accessory. As long as you install them correctly, they will not cause any problems. The Bonus Forge Lightweight Plus wheel spacer is further upgraded and optimized for weight based on the common wheel spacer. We call it Lightweight Plus. Under the premise of ensuring safety and reliability, it effectively reduces weight and energy consumption, thus improves control performance and achieves a balance between high performance and environmental protection. The hollow design makes the whole spacer lighter while ensuring safety. Compared with the previous product before the upgrade, the weight is reduced by about 20% on average, and the lightweight effect is more direct. Although Lightweight Plus cost an additional increase in production cost. For a better customer experience, we have assumed this cost and maintained the same price as the previous product before the upgrade. The wheel spacers can push the wheel out slightly, giving it a more flush look with the fender. If you have any questions about the wheel spacers, leave your comment. Thanks for watching and have a great day!